So the tools that were used: an electric ratchet, for any clips that might be needed popped out, which I didn't use. A flathead screwdriver that was used for these guys right here. Got size 8mm, size 10mm, and the T20 star that allows you to remove the star screws from the corners of the bumper. Here's all the nuts and screws that were used. Make sure you put them away safely. Once again, no Dodgers.
Remove the back covers. Use the 10mm to remove the bolt.
Get your 10mm socket. Place it right there. Bomb.
Remove bolts from the other side. Make sure to put in a compartment where they won't get lost.
And there's 3 screws in this one. There's one up here. There's one right here. And then there's one right down here. I'll take out those screws. One. Two. Do this one. Three screws. Now we're going to do the other side. One screw. 2 screws. Once again, to the 8. Screws. We have here is a T20. Go to the other side. Make sure you put all your belongings. Oh, Dodgers. Pull it back. Perfect. So what we're gonna do now is go underneath the vehicle and start taking the bolts that are underneath it. Here we got an 8. Here we got a 9. You can see where the it's the 8. Boom, 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 boom. And there's 4 on each side. 4 here. 4 over there. Four. We got 4. And there's a little one. sure you put them back. Let's take off the tans. Tans are gonna be right over here. There's one there. There's one there. One there. Three. Four. There's three. Actually, there's three. I'm gonna start pulling it gently. Start taking off the bumper slowly. You gotta make sure disconnect these sensors carefully, which can be very expensive if you damage them. One, got a little clip right here. You know, that clip right there allows you to push it and pull. And over here, push and pull. Push and pull. Bam! And then up.
Now it's time to install this bumper back on the car. Locate all the sensors, put them in their place, get ready to plug them in. After installing your bumper, you want to make sure everything lines up. You want to make sure all your tabs are in the right place. Nothing is out of whack before you start tightening your screws and fasteners back in place. All the plastics are in the correct areas. You might have to tap a couple in, lightly tap. That way you don't break anything. Make sure everything lines up real nice before you tighten everything down. On the lower section, the sides, the upper section, the center. Once you complete this, go ahead and grab your tools and start bolting things in place. Make sure you put all your covers back on over any bolts you took off, any plastic trim pieces that need to go on the bottom, on the sides. Make sure you are not left with any extra bolts. Otherwise you might have to take some stuff off before you can continue.